Okay, what you're going to do now is I'm going to go through how to create the document when you send for a new um, for a new user. DocHub.com. DocHub.com. Okay, click on login, and then click on Google, and the username and password I will send it to you. And the email, click on templates, and we already have a template here. You can just click on this template, and in the template you can click on edit template, and this edit template will edit this template that we have. I already have all the data populated here, but you can I'm going to delete them all, and I'm going to show you how to populate it back. Okay, now the first one, you have to write the employee's name. So click on the text field and highlight it here and make it big. Let's say, for example, the new employee is Jerry Dev. You write over there. And the next one is the date that they will be commencing, usually a couple of days after you send this email. So I'm going to insert the date here, and then click on it. It will put today's date. I'm going to increase 2 days from now on. And you also have another one more date here. I click date again. This is the date that you're sending the email. So insert the date and then just click it. It will put the date's today's date here. Okay. Now these two columns are very important because these are the ones that they're going to sign and send it back to you. So this one you have to put the sign. Click on the signature sign field here. Insert it here. Now this needs to be done by the employee, so you need to make sure that the required field is set here and it's assigned to the client, which means you cannot populate this. The person who's signing will sign it here. Okay, and the same thing, date, you should put it here. Same thing, make sure it's a required field and it is done by the client, not by you. So these two will be done by the person who will be signing this contract. Finally, we have a date here. This is the date that you're sending. Just click here and click again. You'll automatically insert the today's date. So at the end, if you look at everything, it'll be the date, the name, the date that they will join. Sorry, I think I missed one. There's a zip code here. You can insert a text field here for the zip code, and you can put the zip code as whatever zip code that they will be working from. So I'm just going to put 33185, and everything seems to be right. And then I'm going to send this as a sign request. So I'm going to click this send as sign request. It'll pop up this. I would send them to that person's email, whatever email that they ask you to communicate. I'm just going to send it to me, Jerry_Dave1. And the owner, you can put a different box, and yeah, and that's it. You have edited it. You have sending from here. Oh yeah, there's another one called edit message here. You see that here, the email message. This is the email that they'll be receiving. So you can just put for example, this is the email that they'll be receiving. Hi, Jerry, please review whatnot, and then go here. You can just put thanks, and whatever you want to type here, it will come as that's the email that they'll be looking at when they apply. When they get the email from you. Yeah, and that's it. And once you've done all these, click send request. It's already sent. You see that it's already sent, and then that's it. You can either go back by clicking on the D symbol here. That's it. You have the template again. Go back, you can work for the next one. Now you can see here that sign request created. It's 10:56 p.m. I just sent it. Let me go to my email and I'm going to see, have I gotten any email from you, it's weird, I usually get the email pretty fast, but I'm not getting the email this time. I usually get the DocHub emails very fast. For some reason I'm not getting it. But then again, this is something that you will see in the user side, and this I just wanted to show you how they will get and whatnot. It's not necessarily you have to see it. There you go. I think I got it here. Action needed. They'll get something like this: Tiffin-Box part-time work agreement, and I'll click on this, and the email that you sent them. Hi Jerry, please review, sign and complete the document. Thanks, Liz. You can click on the view document here. Once I click on the view document, the document will open. First off, I need to agree that I'm using electronic signatures, and then click on the let's do this. And you see here Jerry Dev, I cannot change that. As the employee, I cannot change this, or this, but only one thing I can do is sign here. If I click here, you're getting this because I already set up a default one. So I'm going to change the signature. If this is the first time I'm seeing this email, I will get something like this would pop up. I would just click on type, and I'll just type my name, Jerry Dev. So let's say I'm just clicking this, save, signature saved. I'm just clicking on the date here, and that's it. Today's date I did, and I finalize. I don't have to write the message. I'll just say finalized document finalized. So if you go back to DocHub, if you refresh it, you will see a note that, there you go, you see a note that you sent the document 1056. I finalized by signing it by 10:59. So email sent, read, viewed, verified, consented, modified, signature, everything is done. So you see all these things done, and that's it. This is how you send part-time work agreement to any new employee that you are like to hire. That's it.